What's good? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy coming to see me. I'm back with another motherfucking reaction video. You know what I'm saying? Today's video, I'm going to be reacting to Kid Maury sneezing on people prank, Walmart edition. We get kicked out. Oh no. Oh, I already know this shit for me, motherfucking banger, but. Shouts to the people that told me to react to this. Shouts to y'all, shouts to y'all, shouts to y'all, you know what I'm saying? I know I've been going for a long time, you know what I'm saying? 3 days and shit. But shit, I be needing a motherfucking break, man. I be needing a break from this shit. Just need some time to chill out, you know what I'm saying? Relax and get all my energy back, you know what I'm saying? Man, these last couple days, I be in the slump, like. But now I'm back though, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to people that told me to react to. Shout out to y'all, shout out to y'all. Let your video a thumbs up, don't give a thumbs down. You gotta watch. We don't care this too. You're gonna see more reaction videos to me on other videos to me. But you guys go on my channel, check more videos. If you do know my videos on my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Come down some videos, suggestions that you guys want me to react to. And I get y'all. But without further ado, let's get straight to this video. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Full screen. Let's get it.
Alright. My fault, sir.
Ooh.
You good though?
Yeah, I'm good.
My bad about that. Sure.
Yeah.
And they so
I actually
calm
just
about
tested
it.
positive for COVID a couple days ago, so.
Oh, did you?
Ah!
Oh my God! Sneezed all over me.
I didn't. What do you mean?
Tell me what I mean. Get away from
I'm
me.
sorry. I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
Bitch, do it to me.
So they called the cops and everything. The cops.
Bitch, she just got him a fucking pig, bitch. Boy, this shit brings out people's true colors. Oh, you fucking pig, bitch. You look like a fucking pig, bitch. Oh, boy, I need my damn hair done. My hair looking all crusty and shit and dry. But that's how dread's supposed to be. Shit. My shit thick though. But let's go to the video. But
Hold up.
I think she's satisfied.
What is up, YouTube?
Okay, be me.
And we back again with another banger, man. And as you can see today, we're at Walmart. Yes, we're at Walmart today, and we're gonna be doing a little sneezing prank on the customers of Walmart today, man. No harm, no foul, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, pretty much, I got my boy X, and
He
I'm
said.
up here, my boy Mike in the car, and Georgia right here, and they're around Walmart, and we all rolling.
Who the fuck is that?
Wait.
You so
Family friendly. Everything on this video will be family friendly, man. But today, we got this spray bottle right here, and you know, I'm gonna walk around.
broken.
See, that's the example right there, man. So, pretty much, we finna go in this Walmart and everything, and y'all gonna see how crazy we.
Man, if I do this shit on people, bro, people could be ready to fight and they would get their ass beat up. Boy, these here, boo, 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 boo. Motherfucker get their ass two-piece real quick trying to fight me. But, stop playing, but, man, people go ready to fight me. Let's watch this video.
Go. Hey, what y'all doing, man? Smash that like button, subscribe, man. Stop playing.
The energy
Alright, you
for
guys,
me.
so this how this thing worked, man. So my boy X hooked me up with this. Why'd you do that? Why'd you try to slap? Okay, like I was saying, man, my boy X hooked me up with this mic and everything, so I do not have to use the voice memo on my phone. Plus, we're gonna be walking around. I'm gonna have this mic hooked up right here. It's all connected to my chest and everything, man. So I'm gonna have all that hooked up. It picks up
This motherfucker got the
excellent sound and
Naruto
everything.
draws on.
Yeah, we're gonna just troll a bunch of customers. So
He got the
let's
Naruto
hop right into this
draws
thing,
on.
man. Roll the montage. Stop playing.
Hey,
Okay, guys, so we stole the Maury's camera. Come on, guys. We stole the Maury's camera and
He's getting me so bad.
He's gonna be so
We're
mad.
playing the pranks all
We're
the
doing a prank
pranks.
on a prankster. He's pranking somebody else, and we're pranking him.
Damn, they plot on my boy like that.
Family time. Let's go find them.
We didn't even know.
Where did they go? Oh my gosh, they're way down there.
My fault, sir. Yo, what's good, my guy? Yes, sir. I just went to the doctor's yesterday. Bro, of course.
He
I
finna
know I've been
drag
around
it.
COVID, dude. COVID's not really a big thing to me, though. For sure. Yeah, I'm still just in Walmart right
He
now.
plays too
I mean,
much.
I don't think the disease is contagious or anything. I don't know. But shoot. Let's see. I mean, I got on a face mask, so I don't think if anybody's like around me, they're probably not gonna get COVID, but who knows?
He want to say something. I know his ass want to say something so bad. I know he wanted to say something so bad, man. I know he do. He just gonna keep it cool. Cause he probably watch that shit like, oh, these probably one of these sick kids playing a little prank on me. Hell nah, let's watch this video, bro.
I mean, COVID not really a big thing for real because like, excuse me, sir, you know any doctors around here? Yeah.
Hey, 1 second.
My bad. Yeah, give me 1 second.
I just go to my guy at daycare.
You know anybody that treats like COVID or anything?
Treats it?
Yeah.
Look at him.
Not specifically.
He caught the camera.
I mean, I think they all should, if they're just general practice, indeed they should be able to.
They,
So if I was like to have COVID right now, would they be able to like fix that or anything?
yeah, I know
Don't
what to
really
say.
need direct, like, thing that he's gonna, it's just like anything else, you know.
So there is no like real cure if I have it right now?
Not as far as I know.
He's saying that there's no cure. Well, so what should I do? Just go to a doctor and try to get like best type of medicine?
Maybe some possible therapeutic. I mean, it's just like any of the flu, you know, vitamin C, zinc,
Period.
rest, you know, feeling bad.
You know what he's talking about.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Nice. My bad. Sorry about that.
How she looking at him?
Allergies, sinuses.
Joke, right?
What?
That's a joke, right?
What? My bad. Good? Huh? You good though?
Yeah, I'm good.
My bad about that. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually just tested positive for COVID a couple days ago, so yeah, you might want to.
He played too much. Hey, he played too much, bro. Devon, you good for this one, bro? Oh my god, bro. No, he told his ass. He told his ass, man, I just got tested positive for COVID, bro. I was like, dude, what the fuck you mean? It's positive for COVID. I would have, man. But then I would have thought like, oh, he doing some type of fucking prank on me, cuz there's no way in hell motherfucker that's gonna sneeze on me. I know what they say, you positive COVID. Hell no. Let's go to this video.
Yeah, check a little bit. For sure. Sorry about that, sir.
You know he mad.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sir. Probably not, yeah. You don't have to get that checked, sir. Sorry about that. My bad again.
Praise.
Just got tested. For sure, man. I mean, to be honest with you, the real COVID process is just like elimination of stuff. So even though they test me positive, it doesn't matter because I have a face mask on, so anybody who be around me pretty much, it doesn't matter. Face masks pretty much control everything. I'm not gonna lie.
Ain't the same dude from last time?
Why should I get tested again if I already have COVID? There's no point. Literally. No point at all. It's like me sitting here wasting my time trying to get tested when I already have COVID. It's literally no point in the whole thing.
You trying to be
No
loud.
simple point, no nothing. Nothing at all. I'm not gonna sit, bro.
They trying to
I'm
be
not
seen.
sitting here and arguing with you about me having COVID.
Oh, Lord, this is the part I seen. Esther.
Oh! Oh my God!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What did you do that for?
I didn't mean to. What
Oh
do
my
you?
God, that's disgusting!
Huh? What you?
She definitely is a Karen. Y'all know the Karens be overdoing. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Why would you do that? I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the cops. Cause that was disgusting. Bitch, do too much, bitch. Let's watch the video.
What I?
God!
What's wrong?
That's disgusting what you just did!
What I do?
You just sneezed all over me!
It was an accident.
I don't care!
I'm sorry.
Oh my God!
I just got corona 2 days ago. You probably gotta get that tested for real.
That's disgusting!
I'm sorry.
You're sorry! Get out of Oh my God.
Are you okay? Are you good?
I'm gonna have to Get away from me!
Are you fine?
Get away from me before I
Yeah.
call the police! Get away from me!
What's going on?
That's
Yo, what do you mean? What's going on?
disgusting!
Wait, what happened?
What do you mean what happened? You just sneezed all over me!
I didn't. What do you mean?
Don't fucking tell me what I mean!
What did I do?
Your back is all wet from you! Get away from
I'm
me!
sorry. I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
Oh my God, what a thing!
Sneezes don't happen. All right, you guys. So
She just pissed me off, bro. I was like, ooh. So fucking extra. She just killed the whole vibe of the video. She did, bro. She did. Y'all see my face, bro? Like, dude did the most. She just killed the whole vibe. The video not even funny no more. Watch the video.
pretty sure that I just pranked the whole Walmart. That created probably the biggest scene of the day in the Walmart. She's still probably looking around for you right now. I don't know what's going on, but it's just been a whole bunch of workers that have been looking at me, man. So let me go ahead and throw back on this face mask and let's continue this vlog, man. Bella Wella.
That's
What you doing? What you doing? Why are you just crying?
Dale in the back.
What you shaking your head back and forth for? Huh. You want the camera?
Clean back.
She's so active now.
Breath. Okay. See you then. But yeah, man, we still in this Walmart. Ahmad is still just finished off some stuff on his video and everything. Him and X just went somewhere. And yeah, I pretty much finished the sneezing prank in front of everyone. Don't worry, guys. I told everyone at the end of it that it was a prank. You already know how I'm coming, man. No cap. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish off the rest of this vlog outside Walmart.
Y'all see Dev over there trying to food work? That nigga
Alright, you
funny.
guys, so we're at a Walmart right now. We actually been left a long time ago. I'm out with the boys and everything, man. Got my cousin driving, X and the mod in the back. Yes, so pretty much the moral of the story, let me tell you guys what happened. So, I did the sneezing prank on the girl, and you guys obviously how she reacted. It made a ultra big scene in Walmart.
Definitely
we literally
did.
had people following us around, probably like until we got kicked out, pretty much. So it was a bunch of more and more workers that was piling
do the
up,
most.
just trying to get us out
hate
the
the fuck
Walmart.
I do not like
So
Karens.
finally, after some time, I let Ahmad get his little
Me and
film and
Karens,
everything.
you gonna
After
get
some
along,
time,
but
man,
that
they
bitch gonna
decided
get
to
slapped.
kick us out. So they called the cops and everything. The cops pulled up, and
Get
we had to get
where
out of
your
Walmart.
man at?
So
Where your man
yeah,
at?
that's
Fuck with
pretty
his
much what
ass too.
happened. We got kicked out. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys at the crib for real, man. And yeah. All right, you guys. So that'll be the end of the video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed.
I
this
enjoyed it till that
sneeze
girl
prank on
did the most.
fellow- Hold up.
Who the fuck is that? Dale. Oh, Destiny. Oh.
Alright guys, so like I was saying, man, I hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed the sneeze prank on the people and everything, man, it was pretty lit. Pretty dangerous actually too, by the way.
And funny as hell.
I suggest do not do that.
I'ma do it.
Yes, it was a lit video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend if you enjoyed it, and let me know down below in the comments right now if you watched all the ads in this video, man. Like I said, we only come with bangers this year. So comment down below videos you guys want to see. No cap. I'll see you guys in the next banger.
Yes, sir. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, she did the most. That camera did the most, but she did the most. But the video was funny. It was funny, but until she started doing the most. Oh my God! Oh, you sneezed on me! You fucking pig! Did the most. You ain't have to do all that. Extra for no fucking reason. But yeah, man. Got the video a thumbs up and don't give a thumbs down. Kind of why I mean on Cages too. You want to see more reaction videos to me or other videos to me. Make sure you guys go to my channel, check my videos. You know what I'm saying? Yes, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. I'll see y'all.